Hello, beautiful babes. This is your girl, Sweet Angel, and welcome to Beauty by Sweet Angel. So today, beautiful babes, thank you so much for popping in, because today we're going to be talking about black seed oil. I've gotten the question, Sweet Angel, do you have any type of treatment using black seed oil? Of course I do. And another question was about, do you have anything for age spots? Yes, I do. Today I'm going to incorporate those two requests into this one mask. We are going to start off with a half teaspoon of turmeric, a potent beauty powerhouse. It combats hyperpigmentation and darkening of the skin, and it's an antioxidant. Yes, turmeric is. So it can help you get rid of dark spots. Turmeric assists in the removal of dead cells. Now what you'll need next is 1 teaspoon of honey. This will help moisturize the skin. Honey acts as an exfoliator to remove dead pigmented skin and will also facilitate the growth of healthy new cells. Now here we go. Black seed oil is next. We'll be taking 1 teaspoon of black seed oil. Consistent use of black seed oil can fade dark spots caused by aging thanks to the vitamin A, amino acids, and fatty acids which collaborate to regenerate skin cells, reducing the appearance of discoloration over time. Black seed oil, beautiful babes. Next up is CoQ10. We'll be taking 3 capsules. These are 30 milligrams. I'm taking 3. If you have the 100 milligrams, you'll just use 1. But CoQ10 helps to restore proper cellular function. Beautiful. Yes, I'm loving this already. Okay, we're moving on. And don't fret, beautiful babes. I have linked all of the ingredients in the description box for you. Ready shop links are available, so all you have to do is click and buy. And definitely, I appreciate it as always if you use my links below. That will help this channel out so much. I appreciate you all so much. Next, we'll be making use of vitamin C. A half teaspoon of vitamin C is what we'll be using. This is going to help refine the texture on your skin and will visibly improve your skin tone. This one is from Avon. Choose any type of vitamin C to add to this that you have available. Will work perfectly to do the same. And you also know vitamin C helps to build collagen in the skin. The final ingredient we'll be adding is a half teaspoon of vitamin E. Vitamin E is effective in removing age spots or dark patches on almost any part of your body. Being a strong antioxidant, vitamin E can reverse the damage to skin caused by the harsh UV rays of the sun. Vitamin E can also moisturize your skin, which is necessary for flawless and healthy skin. You can also use vitamin E capsules as well. Just take 2, maybe 3 into this mixture, and this is the final ingredient that we'll be adding. It's now time to mix it all up, and if you can, wait a little while before using it so that all of these ingredients can infuse together. So now just mix it and mix it well, and make sure you get it all mixed well, and then it's time to apply it. You can do this all over your face or dark spots wherever you may have them, or just spot treat. I'm just going to spot treat here and apply it on the areas that I have dark spots. And then rinse off after 15 to to 30 minutes. And be sure you go ahead and apply your moisturizer. I'm going to apply a moisturizer that I created out of mango butter, and this is to help lighten the skin and hyperpigmentation further. You would want to, in order to help this treatment work even more intensely, to use a moisturizer or some type of oil that will also help with the lightening process of those hyperpigmented areas and age spots. Listen, y'all, I'm your girl Sweet Angel. Now I know this one was requested, and I know this can help somebody. So please make sure when you try this one, after a couple of weeks, I want you to come back here and let me know how is it going for you. And beautiful babes, please make sure, let me know that you enjoyed the video by dropping a like on it. Please leave me a comment. If you don't have anything to say, go ahead and drop me some hearts down in the comment section. Beautiful babes, subscribe. Make sure you do that. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be in the know the next time I upload. And that is it. I will see y'all on the next video, and please share me with your world. Bye-bye.